Attention viewers, do you ever wonder how certain products change our daily lives? Today, we'll dive into a transformative concept that's reshaping our world. Let's explore the idea behind this innovative concept. Imagine a tool that makes complex tasks simpler and more efficient. That's what we're discussing today. First, let's define our key concept. It's a method that allows us to streamline our processes. By using this approach, we can save time and effort. Now, how does it work? Step 1 involves understanding the problem. Identify the challenges you face in your daily routine. Step 2 requires finding the right tools. Choose the products that best fit your needs. Step 3 is about implementation. Start using these tools actively. Step 4 is to evaluate the results. Are they meeting your expectations? Let's bring this to life with an example. Consider a busy professional who juggles multiple tasks. By applying this concept, they can prioritize their workload effectively. They replace chaos with organization, leading to increased productivity. In summary, we've defined a powerful concept and examined its steps. Remember, identifying your challenges is crucial. Choosing the right tools and implementing them helps simplify your life. Now it's your turn. Start exploring this concept in your daily routines. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more insights.